Hello foodies, welcome to Grfoods. I'm your baby chef Nehitha. Today we are gonna make spicy masala puri. Now let's start the recipe. Now we're gonna take dried peas 2 cups. This peas is so good for overnight. See friends, you'll get little sprout. Take a pressure cooker, add water and peas. Now we're gonna add 2 alus. Add some turmeric powder. Close the lid and make 6 to 7 whistles. Let's start how to make crunchy puris. These puris available on Amazon. Add some pellets and fry. Fry puris as shown. See friends how crunchy puri is coming out. Repeat the process for all puris. Now fry puris and keep it aside. For masala paste, let's add some onions. Now we're gonna add some tomatoes. Now we're gonna add some garlic. Now we are gonna add some ginger. Now we are gonna make fine paste. Open the cooker lid and make little smash. See friends how softly it will cook. Keep pan, add some oil, add some paste. Fry until raw smell goes. Don't add water friends. Now slowly oil comes out. Now add some turmeric powder. Now add some red chili powder. Now add some dhania powder. Now we're gonna add some garam masala. Now we're gonna add some salt as per taste. Everything fry, raw smell goes. Now add some boiled potato. Now we're gonna add boiled peas with water. Now we're gonna mix it up very well. If you require, add some water. Now everything mix it up slowly friends. Now slowly masala comes thick. As this time we'll add some chaat masala. Just mix it for one moment. Now we're gonna squeeze the lemon. Now our spicy masala is ready. It's time to start plating. Now we're gonna crush the puris. See friends how crunchy our puris. Now time to serve masala. See friends how mama is adding masala. Wow friends, our hot masala puri is ready. Tangy lemon, crunchy onions, sweety tomato. Aha, what a delicious combination. Wait, just sprinkle some chaat masala. Hooray, our delicious masala puri is ready. If you like my video, give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends, see you in the next video. Have a good day. Sign up by Nehitha.